Nirva Solutions. Powering future-ready innovation, we engineer the digital and physical foundations of modern enterprise. With over 500 experts across India, we deliver mission-critical data center, smart infrastructure, and AI platform solutions. At MIT World Peace University, we redefine modern higher education. Welcome to the M.Tech in Computer Science Engineering, Data Center Systems Engineering. From advanced engineering labs to creative design studios, our vibrant, state-of-the-art Pune campus nurtures research, innovation, and global placements. An industry-integrated program by MITWPU and Nirva Solutions Private Limited. The future isn't just built by technology, it's powered by the engineers behind it.